Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to set sun in the Lumion. So here I am using Lumion 12.5. So let's start our video. So here we are having SketchUp model 2 BHK house. So here you will get the option for the sun setting. So let's start. So let's go for this option. We have to click weather. In weather you will get option for here sun direction, and next here it is sun height. So first, now you can check the sun is exactly opposite for your building. The sun rays it is falling towards the building, over the building, and the shadow it is appearing here exactly on the grass. So we can easily imagine as we have imagined in here also. So let's see the sun direction. If I am trying to change the sun direction, see, you can observe the things. How shadow is moving rapidly because I'm changing the sun direction. Now I want sun rays exactly on the building. So I'll move the direction like this. So this is about the sun direction. You can change from north to east, east to south, again south to west, and west to north likewise. See, even I am changing the sun direction, the modeling mode it is in the day only. Why? Because we have not changed it the sun height. If you will change the sun direction as well as sun height, the automatically drastic change you will get. So now only I'm changing the sun direction. See, I want like this. So I'll keep it is in between south west direction. So next here you will get option of sun brightness. See how much brightness you want, you can adjust by using this arrow like this. So I want little, so I'll give 0.2, or else if you want more, you can go by 0.3. Next is cloudiness. Now you can observe the background sky. See, if you want more cloudiness, white clouds, it will come more. I don't want that much. I want it is like sky blue, sky color. So I'll give it is medium like this. Then wind speed and wind direction, now we don't want because we will see it in animation. So after that, I want to change the sun height. So you can observe, see, if I will drag the sun height towards the downward side, you can observe the sky color. It is changing from day to night. Here it is sun and down exactly it is moon. So we want it is at the daytime, little after the morning, moving towards the noon. So you can keep like this. Now we are okay with this. So it is not a difficult task. You can easily change sun direction, but don't change at a time sun direction as well as sun height. First you change the sun direction, you will get few idea, then you move towards the sun height. I hope you understand this concept. So let's try the render. So we'll give quick render. First we need to capture one photo for our rendering. So I have this image to focal length. I'll give maximum up to 22. Then again you have to move the camera. Now here we will not going to set any setting for the rendering. Just give the quick render to check how the sun effect it is coming. So I'll give name as a sun effect, and then we will save. So it is a very easy concept, sun direction, sun height. You can easily set the setting for that. So I'll give OK. So here we will give after rendering OK option, and then where we have saved that drawing we will open. So here after the sun effect how our drawing will look. See here. This is the final look of our model after rendering and after setting the sun. You can see and you can observe this. Thanks for the watching.